Hi everyone, I want to introduce you to Tom Gafkin, a good friend and fellow inventor. He's come up with 3 or 4 products now for fast cap, and his latest one is the DDJ. It drills a 15-degree hole in the side of a drawer box for mounting a 5-piece drawer front. Now this can be a little tricky, and he's made it so it comes out perfect every time. Super professional and just the way you want it. So here's Tom explaining the product.
Hey, I'm Tom Gafkin. I'm a cabinet maker on the East Coast, and I'd like to show you a great way to attach 5-piece drawer fronts like this onto a drawer box. I do it using the new 15-degree drawer drilling jig from Fast Cap. And basically, that jig just places on the outside of the drawer box and drills a pilot hole at an angle through the box. Let me show you how I do it. I like to set the drawer box down on the floor, and then with a sharp 3/16 inch drill bit, drill my holes. It was really quick. So basically the screw just pushes through real easily through the pilot hole and attaches right to your drawer front, putting the screw solidly down in the stile on the drawer front. Gives a nice neat look. 2 nice holes placed right in the corner there. If you use the Fast Cap drawer front clamps like I do, which I find to work really well, this works out nice, because now you don't have to reach inside with a drill to pre-drill a pilot hole. You just take your screw on the end of your drill bit, reach in there, the screw right in the spot, and you're done. So the jig itself is very strong material with hardened drill inserts for the drill to go through, and it just puts that in there at a 15-degree angle. This little hook here catches on the edge of the drawer box, and this groove in here is to allow the chips to eject so they don't wad up in your drill bit, making it more difficult to drill. So if you look here on this cutaway drawer box, you can see that the screw comes through at an angle and lands solidly in the stile of the drawer front, not near the back here where it might split out in this panel groove. And it also finishes off nice and neat inside. Your screw winds up tucked in the corner consistently every time in the same spot. The screw itself is a number 8 screw with a flat head and nibs cutters under the head and a self-drilling point. There's no longer any reason to use the washer head screws in an oversized hole to get your drawer front adjustment, because our undermount slides have the vertical and horizontal adjustment built right into them, and that works far better than knocking around a drawer front with that washer head set up.
Well, Tom, you've done another great job developing an innovative product for professional cabinet makers, and I know people are going to love this product.